Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here and here you're looking for Photomath app or just click on search. Then here at Photomath it's going to show for you here, so it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. You go down, you click here on storage, you come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.